So today I'll be making beetroot juice. This is a very healthy recipe for kids. So first of all, I'll wash the beetroot. Now I'll peel the skin of the beetroot and I'll cut into small pieces so that I can blend it. फिर जूस बनाएंगे जूस. Now I have removed the skin of the beetroot. Now we are going to cut it into small pieces. Apart from the beetroot, you also need to take a cup of strawberries. So first of all, when you get the strawberry from the market, you need to add vinegar to water and dip this whole strawberries into it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it thoroughly. After that, cut it into small pieces. And as you can see, this one is ginger. So you can add ginger. It adds a little spice to the juice, but it is fine. And this lemon is for vitamin C. So these are all the ingredients that I will be grinding. So add beetroot for grinding. You can add strawberries into this. Then add ginger. And on top of it, add lemon juice. Now we are going to grind this. After the first round, add water into this. एक मिनट juice. After round 2, add some more water into this. Okay. And now give a final grind into this. Now here I have two learnings for you. First thing is always fill this jar only up to 75%. I was in a hurry, so I have added more than that, but please remember only up to 75% of the grinding jar. And another learning is that for beetroot you need to cut it into very small pieces, not just small pieces. Okay. Now, whatever you have grinded, this is not juice. This is beetroot concentrate. And you cannot feed this beetroot concentrate directly to your kid. Then what you need to do is you need to take the amount of water, okay? And on top of it, so take that amount of water, and on top of it, you need to add 1 spoon of beetroot juice. So this is the beetroot concentrate. You need to add and then give it a whirl in the mixie and your juice will be ready. So let's do that now. You have mixed it well. Our beetroot juice is finally ready. So let's serve it. So this is the beetroot juice, and whenever you want to make this juice, you can just take a spoonful of concentrate and 1 glass of water, and you can either mix it or you can use a mixer as I have used. Just make sure that it does not leak while you are doing that, because it contains more water than the concentrate. So that's how it is done. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.